Gender and school. Socialization is the process through which people learn and acquire the char- characteristic of the social group to which they belong. The socialization of individuals enable the preservation and sustainability of the characteristic values and social norms because these are taught and transmitted from one generation to another. The school is a very important institution that influences the child's socialization in school except the curricula. The student learn also that executives are more men and the women. Assume lower positions. In general, teachers do not behave the same with girls and with boys. They expect girls to be more polite while the boys are more playful. In addition, teachers attribute to the girls the progress of their efforts while they attribute to the boys the intellectual capacity and talent. Even in case of failure, they think the boys have not exploited their intellectual capacity. Gender and school stresses the place of schools in shaping perceptions related to the place of gender in society and in favor of gender equity. Socialization within schools mostly reinforces traditional gender stereotypes. The teachers unintentionally often favor boys over girls in interaction and expectation that result in unequal opportunities in participating and achieving. Although teachers believe in fair treatments, boys seem to be on top of everything in class while girls are mostly encouraged to try harder for better results. Therefore, schools must promote equal opportunities for both genders and transgenders role stereotyping by incorporating life skills that will equip students with emotional strength for both males and females. In essence, promoting gender equality in schools helps in creating a better society. How can school maintain gender equity? The school is one of the two most important institutions that influence the child during the process of growth. Thus, it is important that the school promotes gender equality. Dr. Reno Gulwakar, head of Gender Equity and Diversity Care India, stressed the following. 1. It's not only about numbers. Gender equality in school is not only about equal numbers of girls and boys in classroom. It is also about equal opportunities and avenues available to vote, resulting in equal participation and achievements. 2. Gender role stereotyping. Schools should avoid negative gender role stereotyping in any form and should promote both girls and boys for all types of sports, vocational courses and subjects. 3. Integrating life skills and gender equality. Age relevant gender and life skills orientation for both girls and boys helps in building emotional resilience, emotional intelligence, decision making, mutual respect, assertive skills, and leadership skills. 4. Safe and security. Schools need to promote and nurture safe and secure environment, especially for girls, so that they can exercise their constitutional right to education. 5. Gender equitable parent-rich environment in schools. Recognizing, promoting, and displaying the contribution of both women and men in nation building are art, culture, science, sports, and various fields by means of equal display of pictures and information on both women and men, achievers and contributors. 6. Gender responsive textbooks and libraries, parity in the number of books on women and men, achievers and on themes around positive gender roles should make up the library. Schools can do a gender audit or their libraries to see how they promote gender equality through books. 7. Teachers are the torch bearers of gender equality. Teachers should promote equal participation and motivation of girls and boys in classroom activities, raising personal aspiration for a career among girls and their parents, developing and nurturing leadership and initiative among children, especially girls, so that they can prevent gender-based violence and promote gender equity in their own lives.